everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change language to English on June's Journey application. If you've accidentally changed your language to something else that you don't understand and you would like to change it back to English, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open the June's Journey application on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the gear button appearing at the top right hand corner. Now, make sure that you're inside the basic tab at the very first and then tap on the drop down right under basic. Now, select English and tap on the green button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, your game will restart and you have now successfully changed your language setting to English on June's Journey. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.